Infinity Tarot. This is Rajshri. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are back with another tarot reading. Today we are going to check the monthly energy for you for the month of September 2024 and try to connect with me. Keep in mind these are general collective messages. They may and may not resonate with everyone. Take the messages that resonates with you and leave the rest. Let's start your reading. Try to connect with me. Please connect me to the collectives, dear spirits. Please connect me to the collectives. Please connect me to the collectives, dear spirits. Please connect me to the collectives. Give me the messages for my collectives. Please give me the messages for my collectives. I think I got something. There are too many. Please give me the messages for my collectives, dear spirits. Thank you. Please give me the messages for my collectives for the month of September 2024. So for September, your reading is opening with Two of Swords. We have the High Priestess, Four of Swords, Four of Cups, Son of Wands, Moon card, and Eight of Wands, Ten of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck we have Ten of Wands card. Okay, so the reading is opening with this Two of Swords. Okay, so it could be that currently, whenever you're watching this reading, you are in a very uncertain position in your life where you don't have a very clear visions about your situation or about your life, about a particular situation in your life. Okay, so you find yourself at a crossroad, which direction to take, which decision to make, what is the right path for you to move forward, and you are there's a lot of stagnant energy around you that is pulling you down, and that is not giving you a clear vision, a clarity. And the High Priestess card clearly shows that in September you are going to be connected with yourself, with your divine self, with your higher self. That is going to remove this chaotic situation, this uncertain, this stagnant energy from your life, and it is going to give you first of all, it is going to give you clarity about your situation. So in September, you are getting some kind of clarity about your situation. If you look at this card, we have this Four of Swords over here. If you look at this, look at the forehead of this animal, how it's like being enlightened. It's like being enlightened. So after this situation that you have had where you were not able to see clearly, you didn't had a very clear vision about your situation, maybe you didn't had all the informations, details that you needed to have to move forward. So you are getting all of it in the month of September. September is the month of enlightenment for you. With this High Priestess and also this Four of Swords. Four of Swords is the energy of stillness, mental power, to give yourself a break, calm yourself, relax, and then think silently. To contemplate on a situation, to contemplate about a particular thing, in order to get clarity about whatever you have in your mind. So that is happening. And also in September you are getting a little how would we say, I see this energy as okay, in September you are getting more mindful about your own energy, about your own space, where you are overprotective about yourself, and you're not letting yourself, you're not giving your energy for free to anyone. Like you are protecting your energy, nurturing your energy and yourself from the outer environment. And September is the month for you. I'm also seeing in the month of September, again, as I said, you are protecting yourself. So it's basically a form of self love. It is a form of self love where you are prioritizing yourself, you are prioritizing your own needs, you are taking care of yourself, of your mental and emotional well being, which is getting you into this very charismatic energy. The more you are focusing on yourself, the more you will see your aura is shining. It's not just outer beauty, physical appearance, but it is more of like your energy speaking for yourself. Your aura is shining very bright. See, because what is happening when you cut yourself from your outer environment, from all the unwanted energies or people, you focus on yourself, you get all the mental clarity and you get all that emotional fulfillment. When you are constantly giving your energy out to others, you feel depleted. So September is the month for you for self love, for nurturing yourself, nourishing yourself. It is all about yourself. If you look at the Son of Wands card, you know, you will know what is this energy. Like, look at these bright colors at the hood of the snake. So it is all about enlightenment. It is all about connecting with your higher self. It is all about becoming your own higher self. There are things in your life, there are still things in your life that if we properly put it in, like give words to these things, I see there are few things. It is not about clarity, but it is that hidden things, like something that you're not aware of. There is one thing that you don't have enough information. You don't have enough information, so your vision is being blocked. You're not able to see clearly. But there is this energy that you will be experiencing. You will feel as if something is kept hidden. When I say that, okay, this is a little confusing. Okay, in the month of September, I feel the more you are connecting with yourself, the more you are coming in contact with yourself, the more you will understand there are still layers that are untouched. That is the exact energy. There are still layers that are untouched, because we have created a very unhealthy lifestyle for ourselves, where we are communicating so much with others and giving our energy out so much that our own energy gets a little polluted, and we don't have a sense of ourselves, who we are, what we want, what is our strength, weakness, many other things. So what is happening, the more you are coming in self love, the more you are prioritizing yourself, nourishing yourself, nurturing yourself, you are coming to realization about things, I am hearing that were untouched. Basically, things about yourself. It could be in the past. In the past, you didn't focus. Okay, this is one situation that I'm getting. It may and may not resonate with everyone. There was a situation in your past, and you didn't had the access to the real information. I'm getting, there was a situation in your past that you just moved on from without giving much attention to it. So what is happening? And with this also 8 of Wands card over here, I am seeing you are getting a clear communication over here that is going to remove the layers, and you will come to know the truth about something that was being hidden from you. That is the exact energy that I was talking about. Like, the more you are connecting yourself, the more you are getting that clarity of vision, the more you are understanding things, and you will come to know what exactly happened about a particular situation in your past that you had moved on from without giving much attention. And when you are getting this communication, when you are getting this clarity, when you are getting a, I just heard you are getting a reality check. When you are getting this reality check, things will fall in place for you, and you will have like a cycle will come to its fruition, to its completion, and it will give you a lot of emotional fulfillment. And with this abundance card, like 10 of Pentacles card, I'm also getting this energy. This situation that you have had in your past that was like I'm getting such words like unseen, untouched. You were not aware of few things that happened in this situation in the past, and you made a judgment about it. Like, you literally judged that situation based on misinformation, like whatever information that was presented to you at that point of time. Based on that information, you judged a situation, and now that situation is coming to its complete cycle, to its fruition, and you will know what has exactly happened, and that will give you clarity, and it is going to bring harmony and success in that particular situation. It could be, for some of you, I'm getting it is regarding a relationship. There were few things that you were not aware of a particular relationship or a friendship that was I don't know, I'm constantly getting this kept hidden from you. Maybe something was being hidden from you in order to protect you, but now things are coming to surface. Whatever that was hidden, or whatever that you were not aware of, is coming to surface. You are getting to know the truth. You are going to communicate it all very well and simplify the things and come in full complete this cycle. And I'm getting this come in union. Bottom of the deck, we have this 10 of Wands. So yeah, this past situation that was troubling you, it really it was like a big burden on your shoulder that is being removed in the month of September for you. Okay, so basically what I'm getting, that in the past you had a situation that you didn't had clarity about, and so you were not able to make decisions. So the moment you are cutting yourself out from the external environment and connecting with yourself, nourishing yourself, nurturing yourself, you are coming to realization. You are getting all the information, everything that is needed for you to complete this cycle. And thus, in the month of September, you are completing a major cycle in your life, and mostly I'm getting it is in your relationship. Let's see what else can we have. Please give me some more messages for my collective for the month of September, dear spirits. Yes, we have Daughter of Pentacles and Mother of Pentacles. Definitely, it is regarding a relationship, and the moment you are finding the truth, the moment you're going to find out the truth, the moment you're going to come to realization about all the things that has happened in that relationship in the past, this cycle, completing the old cycle, a new cycle is beginning in the month of September. That is, bringing a lot of fulfillment in that existing relationship. There is a lot of fulfillment, commitment, love, affection. I'm getting you're being showered with all the emotional fulfillment, contentment. You are very content. You're going to be very content emotionally in September in this relationship. So basically, there was a situation with a relationship in the past that is completing a cycle and bringing you clarity, and for some of you, reconciliation with the past person by removing all the misunderstandings that were there, and getting you in alignment with a very abundant and fulfilled relationship in your life with the past person, with the past situation. Yeah, bottom of the deck we have the Six of Wands card, victory and success. You are definitely going to have victory in this relationship in September. Can we have some guidance for my collectives for September? Yeah, so guidance for you is that we have Two of Wands, Daughter of Wands, Hangman, Three of Wands, and Mother of Swords. Wands energy is very strong over here. So you have to shift your focus to yourself, and it is the energy of determination, direction, like. You need to have a control on your energy, and you need to come back to yourself, and with Daughter of Wands, like, come back to yourself, love yourself. I'm getting a lot of self-love energy in this card, lot of self-love, very passion. What I am getting over here is that there's someone who, it's like coming back to home. Your body is your home, so you are coming back to your home, nourishing your body, taking care of your body, doing skin care, hair care, working out, exercising, doing whatever that makes you happy, that makes you feel good, that makes you, you are complimenting yourself a lot, that you look good. I'm getting this energy constantly looking at the mirror, complimenting yourself, and getting in self-love, falling in love with yourself, love the way you are, like nourishing yourself internally and externally. We have this Hangman. Hangman is like asking you to let go. Over here, Hangman is asking you to let go. So you are focusing on yourself. The guidance is that be very, focused, and you need to be very determined about a situation, about yourself. Focus your energy towards yourself, nourish yourself. Take care of yourself, get in self love, love yourself, do things that you are most passionate about, do things that makes you happy, indulge in yourself, and let go of everything, let go of everything that is not your, that is not in your control. You cannot control the exterior situation, you can control yourself. You can have control over things that you can do. You cannot control other people, you cannot do other situation, outside situation. You can control in interiors, inwards, yourself. So do that, let go of everything that that is not bringing anything good in your life. Let it go, release it, and envision your future. Envision your future, see what you want in your future, see where you want to be in your future. And with so much of self love and connecting with yourself and all this, whatever you're going to do to make yourself a priority, to make yourself feel good, feel happy, you're going to manifest a lot of things. Bottom of the deck we have the Ace of Pentacles, like new beginnings are coming in your life, something new is starting for you. The more you connect with yourself, the more you get in self-love, the more you nourish yourself, you will see new paths is opening for you, new roads are opening for you, because you're not giving any attention, you're not giving any energy to others, to outside situation, to other people, to other situation. It's like it's completely me time. September is all about me time, self-love. It's all about self. It is all about going inwards, connecting yourself, contemplating, protecting, nurturing, nourishing yourself. Anyways, you cannot pour from an empty vessel, so you are filling up your own vessel in the month of September. Very beautiful energy. I really like this reading. So yes, that is the message for you, that is the reading for you. I hope it resonated with you. I hope it gave you some kind of guidance, clarity, and if it did, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I also offer personal tarot readings. If you want to book a session with me, the details are given below in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. Lots of love and light.